Bhavya. Bhavya.
Oh.
What is the formula for interest? Bhavya. Okay, Dushyant. Tell me interest formula.
Interest formula.
Tell me. All of you listen. What by number of times I said PTR by 100? What is the formula?
P into
P into
T into
yes,
R by 100.
R by 100. Okay. What is here? What is P value?
P values.
What is P value?
Yes, sir.
A into
A.
T.
We don't know P value.
What
2
is the T
years.
value? 2 years into R
2
value.
years.
R
8%.
8% divided by 100.
100.
Now cancel that. 4 twos 425.
250.
Fourth table. Here this is 4A by
4 by 25.
4A by
4A by
25.
25.
Okay. 4A by 25.
25.
That is the interest value. Okay. Now, what is the
Sir.
formula for principal? Amount. What is the formula for amount?
A into
A equal to
P into
P plus
P into
P
plus
plus ra
P plus sir.
P plus interest.
P plus interest.
Okay. A equal to P value. Here P plus what is interest value? P value is A. What is interest value? Dushyant. Don't unmute Dushyant.
Sir.
Tell me what is interest value?
8%.
Interest value 4A by 4A by 25. Okay. Now see this. 25. That is LCM. The numerator is 29A. That is 29A. Over. That is amount.
Sir.
Next, what is amount given?
Sir. 12,122.
Is equal to
12,122, sir, amount.
tell me 29A by
And A by 25.
A by 25. Okay.
25.
Okay. Now, what is A value? A is equal to, A means principal value. A is equal to 12,122 into,
122.
send that 29 by 25 to the left side. Send this, Dushyant.
Sir.
Send this fraction 29 by 25 to the left side. Tell me the answer. 25 divided by 29. Okay.
Sir.
Next one. Tell me.
Sir.
Cancel that.
Sir.
Tell me answer.
10,450.
10,000. Which table?
450.
Which table? Listen. 29 fours. Understood? 29 fours. Okay. 29 4/18s. 29 ones. 29 4/18s. 418. Okay. Now tell me 25 eights 200. 25 ones 25.
450, sir.
Okay, wait. 45. 25 fours 100.
Sir.
100 plus 4 104.
4.
Okay.
10,450, sir.
10,450. That is the amount value.
Yes, sir.
Now he want that is the principal value. Small a means A is principal.
12.
So he want amount value. Amount is nothing but, listen, for this time is equal to 2 years.
2 years.
Yes. 8 months.
Sir.
2 years, 8 months.
Months.
So that is 8/3 years.
8/3 years.
Yes, 8 divided by 3 years. That is the time.
Sir.
Next, R value. What is R value? 9%. Hey, 9% second values.
Sir.
R value 9%. Okay. See now. See here. Interest is equal to P, yes, P into T into
100.
good. R divided by 100.
Sir.
Now what is P value there? What is P value there?
10,450.
Wait.
10,450. Sir.
Ten thousand 450 into time.
450.
Time 8/3
8/3
Okay.
years.
into
R is equals to
100. Okay. R value how much? 9.
9.
Now cancel 1 0. Here 1 0. Here also 1 0. Okay.
0.
Now
2 fours, 2 fives.
3 is so cancel. What is the interest value now? Multiply the 24. 3 into 8, 24. That 1045. 24 5s 120. 24 4s 96. 108.
108.
24 zeros 0. 24 ones 24 1 25.
What grade, sir?
How much? Twenty-four fives 120. 24 fours 96 108. 24 zeros 0. 24 ones 24. 25. Now that is interest. Amount value is what is the amount value?
10,450.
Plus 2580. Amount 1,550 plus 2580. Add those two. Add those two. 0, 13, 5, 5, 3, 35,530. Yes, half an hour. Any doubt in the yesterday exam problem? Anybody have doubt? Raise your hands. Online exam completed. In online exam, anybody have doubt? Raise your hands. Anybody have hands? In the online. You have doubt in the exam problem. Okay, see that last fifth problem. Fifth problem. In 4 years, rupees 6,500 amounts to 8,840 at certain rate of interest. At certain rate of interest. In what time? Time will 1,600 rupees amounts to 1,816. At the same rate. At the same rate. All of you down on the screen. Bring water. All of you down this problem. So here Sangeeta, Sangeeta, Banu, enable video. Banu, Shravani, Nagashekar, all of you enable videos. Sri Charan, all of you enable videos. Enable videos now. Okay, Mohan Sai, all of you listen. I have to say the process of fifth problem. You will do homework. Fifth problem. Mohan Sai,
Sir,
tell me, what
sir,
is the doubt?
yesterday you told fourth question, no, sir. That
Yes.
amount answer, this is wrong, sir.
Okay, wait. There is time value taken wrong in that problem.
Okay, sir.
That's why I said once again, listen. So అప్పుడే చెప్దామంటే టైం అయిపోయింది. Listen once again. See the fifth problem, all of you. All of you see the fifth problem. In 4 years, 6,500 rupees amounts to 840 at certain rate of interest. 6,500 is principal, 8,840 is amount. Interest means A minus P. That is the interest. Time 4 years. From that, you have to find out R value. You have to find out R value. Then in the next step, in what time will 1,600 rupees amounts to 1,816 rupees at the same rate? Okay. Hey, don't talk. In this problem, second step, 1,600 is a principal, 1,816 is a amount. Interest is 1,816 minus 1,600. Rate of interest that was obtained from the first step in the fifth problem. The same rate of interest you have to use in the second step also. So from that given data, you have to find out the time in years. Understood? All of you, can you do it? Mohan Sai. Can you do it? Okay. Okay, all of you do that fifth problem. That is homework. So exam syllabus is exercise 6. That is exam syllabus. Exercise 6. Fifth problem homework. From tomorrow onwards, you have. We will start IIT. We will start IIT. Okay. All of you leave now. All of you leave now. Mohan Sai. Mohan Sai,
Sir.
tell me. Tell me, Mohan Sai.
స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్.
అవును.
మరి టైమింగ్స్ ఏమన్నా చేంజ్ అవుతాయా సార్?
చెప్తారు, మీకు షెడ్యూల్ ఇస్తారు.
ఓకే సార్. సార్
Okay.
అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ చదువుతారా సార్?
మీకు షెడ్యూల్ ఇచ్చి ఇంటిమేషన్ ఇస్తారు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే, లీవ్ నౌ.
ఓకే సార్.